You were gone forever.
It was 3 days.
When the first Moana movie came out in 2016, it quickly became a favorite for so many people. The story was exciting, the characters were lovable, and the songs like How Far I'll Go and You're Welcome were stuck in everyone's heads for months. So when Disney announced Moana 2, fans were thrilled. But while the sequel is enjoyable, it doesn't quite reach the same level of magic as the original. One big difference in Moana 2 is the music. In the first movie, Lin-Manuel Miranda's songs were unforgettable. They were catchy and full of emotion, helping tell Moana's story in a powerful way. But in Moana 2, the new songs just don't stand out as much. They're nice enough, but they're not the kind of tunes you'll find yourself humming for days. Parents might be happy about that, but fans of the original music may feel a little let down. The story also feels a bit too familiar. Moana is now a confident wayfinder, leading her people and exploring the ocean. In this movie, she sets out to unite islands and faces another magical challenge involving a grumpy god. While it's a fun adventure, it doesn't have the same fresh and emotional depth as Moana's original journey of self-discovery. Still, the ending is sweet and wraps up the story nicely, giving a little glimpse of what could come next. The animation in Moana 2 is absolutely beautiful. The ocean sparkles, the islands are lush and colorful, and every scene looks like a work of art. Disney's animators really know how to make a world feel alive, and younger viewers will especially love the bright and vibrant visuals. The voice acting is another strong point. Auli Cravalho is as amazing as ever as Moana, bringing energy and heart to the character. Dwayne Johnson is back as Maui, and he's still funny and charming, though his role feels a little smaller this time. There are also new characters who add some fun to the story, but they don't get as much time to shine as they could have. Moana 2 is a fun movie that's worth watching, especially if you love the first one. Just don't expect it to be as groundbreaking or memorable as the original. It's more like revisiting an old friend. You'll have a good time, but it won't feel quite as special as the first visit. If you go in with low expectations and just want to enjoy another adventure with Moana, you'll still find plenty to like. Moana 2 might not make waves like the first movie, but it's still a fun splash.